Hey guys, how are you doing? So, we just got our ball pumped and we're just walking around the neighborhood and we saw this place on our way. It looked clean, it looks like they're preparing food. So we decided to stop by for breakfast. The lady said they have a fada, mama, boiled egg and beef. So we're just gonna go in and have some breakfast. My wife always laughing because I tell her that we eat these things for breakfast. She always thinks breakfast needs to be like bread or pancake or tea or something light. But in Nigeria, people need substance to like get them through the day. Anyways, let's go check out this.
Amata, swallow, amala, zemu,
Already. Okay, so mama ra ofada àti ẹran àti mama àti ẹyin. Okay. So ní ofada ní white rice. Okay, yeah, má gba ofada. Spoon. Kí ni size àwọn spoon yìí? Okay, má gba méjì. I think that might be a lot. Hello, sir. Good morning. Okay, and then I fi egg ẹyin síbẹ̀ àti pọ̀nmọ́ àti beef. So I'm ordering a fada rice, pọ̀nmọ́, egg, and beef. I'm going all out. I'm excited to see. I'm sure it's fresh. They just cooked it. It's coming. So hello lentele any 200 ni spoon kan lele. Hello lele. 100 naira. I don't know. Share one be by. Oh, okay. All right. Eshima. Oh, Shimole. Nǹkan tí mo máa mú ṣe níbi Chapman. Okay, máa gba coke ṣó tutù. Okay. Alright guys, so here's my meal. So I have momo. And then I have egg. Meat, and then I have a fada sauce, vegetable sauce that goes with it. Let's taste it. We are going in. Oh, very good man. Oh, very good man. The bus is around the corner watching us. It tastes like when I was younger as a kid. This is like as authentic as it can be. Wow. The flavor is very familiar.
Thank you.
Gentlemen. Free food. So her birthday is this Saturday. What time, ma'am?
From 4 p.m.
From 4 p.m.
Because of people that are fasting.
Oh, okay. Hey, we're gonna come and celebrate with you. Okay, that's great. We'll come Saturday at 4 p.m. to celebrate her birthday. How exciting. Alright guys, this is amazing. So this place is located by literally walking distance from the Elegushi beach. So if you're going to the beach, you can stop by here, grab a bite. Or after the beach, you can come here and grab a bite on your way out. But I highly recommend. The place is clean, the food tastes fresh. It's actually very, very good. Alright guys, so a quick feedback about the food. We ordered a fada rice and I've been trying to figure out what makes it special because some people sell it more expensive, but there's a big hype around it. And what I learned is that the ofada rice is actually native rice that's not imported like the other refined rice. So that means it's natively grown That's why there's a special, people have a special connection to this rice, I can tell. So I finally had to ask what's special about this rice. So it's a native rice to Nigeria. So that's exciting. And review about the food, the egg flavor is amazing because, I don't know if you guys have tried this, they do that more so in our culture where they leave boiled egg in the stew for a long time and it sips all the flavor of the food and it kind of changes the outer layer texture of the egg to be slightly more crunchier in a way that it's so good. So yeah, so I'm enjoying that with rice. We eat boiled eggs with a lot of food. Oh, it's so good. So I also learned about the sauce that comes with the fada sauce. I've never actually asked what's in the sauce, but the boss was here and the cook was here. She told me that the fada sauce is actually grinded green chili that they grind and then sauce and cook to make a fada sauce. So typically that sauce goes with this rice. And then the other thing I ordered was mama, which is, I think, is cow skin, the inner layer of the cow skin, whatever it comes from, and then beef, which I've already consumed. So typically, what I do when I'm younger is we combine. So you take one egg, one beef, one fada. Do you guys do this when you eat? You take all the combination, and then you go in. To get all the flavors mixed together. Alright guys, so now I want to talk to you about what the food cost me in this small little shop. The spoon of rice, which they call one portion of rice, was 200 naira. But when I go to somewhere else, it's typically 400 to 500 naira. So big gap in price. The mama was 100 naira here. Is typically 200 naira elsewhere. Just to give you guys equivalent, 200 naira is like 50 cents. So this one is like, I don't know, 10, 15 cents. And then the meat was 200 naira, like 50 cents. And then the egg was 100 naira. Let me actually calculate. So it's like 20 cents for the egg. No. Yes, like 20 cents, somewhere 100 naira, so you guys can do the calculation later. So yeah, so my whole meal was roughly 700 to 800 naira, which is like $1.50, somewhere around there, was what I ate for breakfast this morning. So this is what $1.50 can get you for breakfast in Lagos, Nigeria. On the street side, not the fancy restaurants. I think their food is twice as cheaper than going to like place, but it's good to observe. Like I can tell this place is clean. They're cooking outside. You can kind of tell their sanitary practices when you go to these different places. So I felt very, very comfortable coming here to eat. So yeah, you guys definitely try it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you come to Lagos Beach, maybe come and try them out. Share this video. I appreciate you guys' support, and remember to rise and let your light shine. I'm gonna continue my food and I'll see you guys later. Peace.